Hi everyone, I'm Canever from Pelotas Federal University in South Brazil. I'm going to present an article related to broiler farmers' payment. This article was made in collaboration with colleagues from São Paulo University and Paulista University, both in Brazil. Brazil has long tradition in broiler industry, and from middle of 70s, the industry moved to the south of Brazil, mainly motivated by the huge amount of farmers, family farmers, in this region. So since then, there was a kind of dispute about the price that the farmers should receive. So that is the main motivation of this article. We are going to propose kind of methodology to estimate a fair price, or at least a more equitable price that the farmers should receive. As I said, the objective is to propose a methodological approach to estimate a more equitable monetary exchange between farmers and the industry. And we are going to use the energy theory as a strategy to accomplish this goal. In terms of methodology, the study was divided in two main steps. The first one was dedicated for data collection, which was made in Santa Catarina, in the city of Concordia. That is a very important region of chicken production in Brazil. The second step of methodology, first we design diagrams of energy, and then we transform the inputs used in the system in energy tables. And lastly, we estimate the energy exchange ratio that measure the energy in economics terms used by or delivered by each actor in a system, in a chain. When this index is equal to 1, the energy exchange is equitable between actors in a chain. That means both actors are receiving a fair price by their energy delivered in a system. The main results of this study shows that farmers are receiving much less than they deserve for their contribution to the system. You can see here that the fair price, the equitable price, is 32 cents per broiler instead of 24. That is the price that they receive today. On top of that, if we also consider the environmental contribution of farmers, they should receive almost $1 per broiler. And when you consider also the cultural contribution of farmers to the system, their contribution is even more, even higher. So then they should receive $1.62 per broiler. The main conclusion of this study is that the approach used and proposed in this study is effective to estimate the equitable monetary exchange between actors in the chain. Thank you very much.